created different functions and call them manually. If user, till now we have created different functions like insert, view or delete, and then we call them manually in our program. But if we want that, till now we created different functions and then we call them manually. But while we are calling this function manually, all functions get called. But we do not want all the functions to be performed activities together in the program, and user should given a till now we have created different functions like insert, view or delete, and then we call them manually in our program, and we see that all functions get called and perform their actions. But in program it is not necessary that we need to call all the functions every time. So we should give control to the user so that he can decide that what actions he has to perform in the program. This can be done with the help of menu driven program, in which we give control to the user so that he can perform activities according to his will. To do this, we create a menu driven program here. We create a loop named while. I say while true. If the condition is true, my loop continue to work, and for which we will create a try block. Inside try block, I ask user to provide his choice. So I create a variable as choice in which user give me his input as input, enter choice, and user give me some choice as the integer numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and then I use if else block. If my choice is equal to 1, then user say print hello. If my choice is equal to 2, user print welcome. If my choice is equal to 0, then user say thank you for attempt. Thanks for attempt. And then I will break from while loop, and if it is no number like 0, 1 or 2, we will print invalid number or invalid choice. And then we have an error statement in our except block. Say except, we say value error, and it should be enter valid choice. So what I want to explain in this, I have created a while loop. And what does the while loop mean? While loop means that this program get to be executed for infinite time until we provide break condition to it. So I enter in a try block and say user to enter or provide his input. So user is providing me input here using 1, 2 or 3 number. I have given 1, 2 or 3 choice to the user, and if he print 1, I print hello. If he give me input 2, I will print here welcome, and if he provide me choice equal to 0, we will say that we do not want to continue in this loop and print thanks for attempt, and then we break the loop and come out of the loop. And if he provide any other number from except 1, 2 or 0, say he provide me 5, then 5, then we print invalid choice. Or if he provide any input like text, say A, B, C or any special character, then it try, while we enter in a while loop, we goes to the except block and we print invalid choice and again come and ask user for. So I run this program. User is asking me my choice. So I enter choice number 1. It say hello. I enter choice number 2. It say welcome. Then you see that I have 0 for break and invalid choice for any other number like 0, 1, 2. And I say enter choice 5. Then it says that it is invalid choice. Then I print any text number. Say I enter B. Then what it will say? Enter valid choice. So what happens is I continue to move in a while loop. If I provide any number like 0, 1, 2, then I am in while loop. If I provide any other number, it say it is an invalid choice, but my loop is going to be continue again and again. But if I provide 0, what happens? It will break the loop and come out of the loop. So it says thanks for attempt and I come out of the loop. In this way my program works. But now what I want? I want that this should be a menu driven program for me. So here is after try block, I will call a function, say menu here. I define a function here menu, say def menu, and I provide some values to my user. Like I say print enter say cold storage management system. And here I will provide some user input as for I say 1, then I say add customer. If he provide me choice number 2, then I will say add item and in similar way we go with other menus and print 0 to exit. And here we call this menu here and we call this menu and instead of print hello, we will call here some functions. For one, I say I want to add customer. So we have defined customer as insert customer. So here we call here insert customer. After choice we will call insert customer. Say and I want to add item. So I will call a function name insert item here. So I call this function here. Now we have created a function named menu in which user is able to understand that what choice he has to be give to the system so that he can perform or control the functions according to his will. If he provide 1, he can add customer. If he provide 2, he can add item. And if he provide 0 value, then he can come out. So in this way he can provide the input or choice to the system. And in if and else block we call respective function like insert customer and insert item, and if user provides 0 we can come out of the loop. So let us run this program. You can see I get 3 add customer, add item and exit. If I insert value 1, then what it asks? It asks me to add the customer name. So I say his name is Varun and his phone number, I enter his detail, then I enter his email ID, then I enter his organization, his designation. So you can see my customer data get inserted. Then he asked me to provide another choice. So I asked that I want to add the item. So I add the item as, say I add tomato, then I want to enter its price, say 20. I want to get store for 5 days. So this is the details. Here, how can I store the item? Now, I want to enter me some other choice. So if I enter number as B, it will come in a, so he will print me the choice like enter valid choice, that is he goes in a accept block. Now I provide him a choice number 0. So he says thanks for attempt, and he have created a menu of 10 numbers in which we can add customer, item and storage, view them, search them and delete them. So we run this program and you can see how your menu at the end of your program will look like. So here you can see that I have a cold storage management system in which I can add customer, add item, add storage, view customers are the view customer, enter a choice number view. You can see the list of customer here. Then here I come again in a while loop. I can view my items. So I can view items here. Then I can see how my storage details are. I see my storage details and pressing 0 I add our cold storage. So in this way we completed with our cold storage management system project, which is a Python SQL connectivity project in which we learn how to connect Python with MySQL. Then we learn how to insert or modify data in SQL using Python, and then we write function, call function, and then we convert the complete program. I hope this video finds helpful to you. If you like it, please like and subscribe it. Thank you.